How to fix Instagram messages not working. So if you are facing a problem with Instagram messages, then first of all you have to open up your mobile settings, and then after opening, now scroll down and go to apps and notifications, and then here go to see all apps and go and search for Instagram. And after that, here you will have storage and cache option under the Instagram. Tap on that and then tap on clear cache, and you have to clear all of the cache. And if this still doesn't fix your issue, then you have to open up your Play Store, and then here on the search bar you have to go and search for Instagram. Search for Instagram, and then here instead of this open option, if you have an update option, you can simply tap on update, and you have to make sure that your Instagram is up to date. And after updating your Instagram, if this still doesn't fix your problem, then you have to go to Instagram, open up your Instagram application, and then now you can go to the bottom right corner which has the profile icon, and then go to the upper right corner which has the 3-barred icon, and now go to settings and privacy, and after that scroll down, and here you will have help option. Tap on help and then go to report a problem, which is on the first option, and again tap on report a problem, and then don't include, and here you have to briefly explain that I'm not being able to send messages on Instagram. I'm facing this kind of issue, so can you please help me with that? And after writing that, you can also upload some screenshots, and after uploading you can simply tap on send, which is on the upper right corner. Simply tap on the send button, and that's it. These are the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.